Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot support on your Dell laptops. In my case, I'm going to be using the wireless keyboard. In case I don't have my keys, some of my keys are not working. So I'm going to power on the laptop. And first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to double tap on F12 so that we go to the boot menu and we see if we have our USB support being seen on the boot menu. So you click on F12 so that we go to the boot menu. As you can see, preparing for the one-time boot menu. So I have to wait for this to load. In your case, it would be a little bit faster. In my case, it's a little bit slow. So after here, we are going to go ahead and show you how this would work on your Dell laptop. In my case, I have the Dell Latitude E6400. So it's almost done. So it's going to go to the boot menu. This is where you find the hard drive, everything, but we don't have the USB boot support enabled. So we're going to click our down arrow key. In my case, my down arrow key doesn't work here. I'm going to click here. Then I go to BIOS Setup. BIOS Setup, I'll click Enter. Then when I reach BIOS Setup, I go to General. Then I'll see Boot Sequence. On Boot Sequence, I have to enable this option. Then I'll go to Post Behavior. And I'll go to USB Emulator. Then on USB Emulator, I'll enable this option. Then I'll click Apply to save changes. So when I click Apply, I'm going to go ahead and click Quit. Then the computer will reboot. Then I want you to click F12 immediately after the computer reboots, so that we go and check if our USB boot support has been enabled. So as you can see here, we have the USB storage device enabled. In our case, we have Windows 8.1 is on the. We have a bootable USB that has Windows 8.1. I'm going to click Enter, and then the computer will ask to click any key so that we can boot from the USB. And we're going to wait for it to start loading files from the USB. And in our case here, you have to wait for it for a few seconds. It could be 10 seconds, 15 seconds. That loads the file. Then you start your Windows installation process in that case. So you're going to wait for it to load files. Then we be sure that the USB is now working. As you can see, it's getting the files from the USB so that we can start the Windows installation process. So this is how it happens to have opened the files from the USB. So this is how you do it, and this is how easy, how you can enable USB boot options on your Dell laptops, and this would work on other versions. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon, like this video, comment. I will be able to help you any time soon. Have a nice time. Goodbye.